This is how-tos. In this video we are going to see how you can schedule a Zoom meeting. Step 1. To schedule a meeting in Zoom, you need to click on Schedule. You can schedule a Zoom meeting on any platform, like Mac, Windows, Android, and iPhone by clicking on the Schedule option. Step 2. After clicking on Schedule, enter the meeting details, like topic of meeting, time and duration for the meeting, if it's a recurring meeting, then click on Recurring option and set the recurring schedule on your meeting calendar. Step 3. Enter the further meeting details as per your need, like meeting ID. If you want your meeting to have password, then click on the passcode option, and then you can also enable waiting room option to allow the users to wait in the room before the host allows them into the meeting. Step 4. Select more of the basic details like video option and calendar that you will be using to share the invite, and then click on Save. After clicking on Save, your appropriate calendar that you have selected will open, and then you have to share the invite to other team members for this meeting. Thank you. Hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video.